Welcome back to Saute with Love, and today we are going to make Szechuan egg fried rice, which is going to be street style, spicy, very easy recipe that you can make in hardly 10 minutes. So let's get started and see how it's done. So the step number one is I am going to make the eggs. I'm going to fry them, or you can say scramble them. So for that, I've taken one egg, added a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper powder. If you want, you can use two eggs. I have only used one egg. It's completely your choice. So I will just whisk the egg properly. So once my eggs will be whisked, I will be going to cook them. For that, I have greased my wok with some oil. I've not added too much of oil, to which I added my whisked eggs. We don't want to make an omelette out of it, so we need to act fast and start scrambling it so that it is evenly cooked. Once it's properly cooked, we will take it out in a small bowl. You can do this step after your veggies are cooked. Just put the veggies aside, add a little bit oil at the center of your wok, and do the same step. It's completely your choice. So now my eggs are done, and in the same wok, I have added about 3 to 4 tablespoon of oil. To that, I have added my chopped garlic, which are about 7 to 8 in numbers. Uh, Garlic are very important for any of the kind of these Chinese food. So at this point, I have also added two green chilies. I have slit them and cut them lengthwise. So now we will just wait for our green chilies and garlic to be cooked. Once they are done, I have added one small onion which I have finely chopped. So the next step is we will let these onion cook, and then we are going to add a rest of vegetables. For vegetables, I'm adding 1/4 cup of capsicum, chopped green beans, and chopped orange carrot. Green beans and carrot are like the soul of fried rice, so you don't want to miss them. And capsicum is optional, is completely your choice. I've sprinkled some salt at the top, and at the very high flame, I will let my veggies to fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. We do not want to overcook them. Post that, we have added about half a teaspoon of red chili powder, black pepper powder, chili flakes, and now the most important ingredient, which is your Szechuan sauce. You can buy it from the market or you can make it at home. I've added about 2 tablespoon of that and 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. So these are all the seasonings that we are going to add, and again my flame needs to be high. I will just quickly toss them together, and once it's done, it's time to add the rice. I have taken about 2 cups of boiled basmati rice. One important point here, always and always use the rice which you have either cooked the previous day, or you have cooked the rice about 5 hours or 6 hours ago, then cooled it in the refrigerator. If we are not doing that step, we will be making fried rice which is going to be very sticky. So never ever use freshly cooked rice. I've also added my scrambled eggs, and for garnishing, I have added some chopped spring onions. These are required to elevate the taste. So, on a very high flame, just keep tossing it for about 6 to 7 minutes, and once it's done, our street style Szechuan egg fried rice are ready to be served.